We're gonna take a picture whether I want to or not, so I don't really have an option. She's probably gonna do it again. She's either gonna record it or are you recording this right now? I hate you. Okay. Yeah. So.
See. You automatically flip your hair over your face.
Yeah, I know I do. Danny, what kind of computer do you have?
Really frickin' new.
Really frickin' new, that's right. Oh, it's a desktop. It's stuck on my face. She's doing Jeff face for me. Oh god. No. Danny. I'm not looking at this anymore. I'm not looking at this camera anymore.
I can see your butt.
Stop taking my ass!
I bet Kerr will appreciate that
I'm
one.
gonna kill you! Don't you- oh.
This is all for Kerr, by the way. Oh.
Oh, she's not a picture, she's taking a freaking video of me. You sound like a stalker there.
I'm gonna post it on like YouTube or something.
Oh, I don't like you anymore.
Oh, yes you do.
She's gonna post it on YouTube and I'm gonna kick her ass. Hey. Hey. Danny.
Wait, zooming. Got it. Wait, it's
Yeah.
blur.
Aw,
Still blurry.
sad face.
Oh god, it's really blurry now.
It's blurry. Okay, then just zoom out. Forget it. It's gonna...
Fixed. Okay, just gotta zoom in very gradually.
Aw.
There we go. It's a key, spoiler.
Spoiler, it's a key. Wait, what? Yeah, that would've been hilarious. Hey, Danny, get a webcam. I just drooled on myself slightly. I don't know, I just kinda drooled on myself slightly. I'm not sure why. What are you doing? What are you taping of me? What are you looking at? No, just... What is she doing? She's pointing at her crotch and I'm... What are you doing? Oh, she's looking at her finger in the camera. Dingus. I'm still not looking at it.
I'm poking you.
She just farted. Oh god.
Come on, look at the camera.
She just farted. I'm not looking at the camera.
Look at the camera.
No.
Look at the camera.
No.
Kerr,
I
you want
looked
any
at it,
boob
no.
shots? Welcome to Side Boob Hour with Danny.
Stop it! Stop taping my side boob. I feel violated via camera.
Hello, love. Love. Your name is Love.
Massive fuck you. No.
Zemi, say goodbye to the camera.
Go fuck away.
Say goodbye or it stays.
Goodbye.
No, the camera didn't hear you.
Goodbye. No, just...
Now, like you mean it.
She wants me to say goodbye to the camera. It's not going away. I don't know, because she's a dingus. Okay, Danny, how do you want me to say goodbye?
Like you love it.
But I don't love the camera.
Love the camera. Make love to the camera.
I'm not making love to the camera. Can I just say goodbye? And
Give it a hug.
No.
Give it a hug.
I don't want to hug the camera.
Give it a hug.
No.
Give it a hug.
No.
Hug it.
No.
Hug it.
Mm.
Hug it. At least pet it.
She does remind me of Gur. If I pet the camera, will you put it away?
Yes.
Where do you want me to pet the camera?
Pet the camera.
I don't pet the camera. That is it. Okay, now put it away.
Okay.